In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable the Home button in Google Chrome. Whether you're looking to have quick access to your favorite homepage or simply want a cleaner browsing experience, having the Home button enabled can make a world of difference. Let's dive right in and make this adjustment together. First things first, you'll want to open up your Google Chrome browser. Once you have it open, take a look in the top right corner of your window. You'll notice an icon that looks like 3 stacked dots. Click on this menu icon to reveal a drop-down menu. This menu is your gateway to a multitude of settings and options within Chrome. From the drop-down, you're going to want to select Settings. Doing this will take you to the main settings page where you can customize and tweak how Chrome behaves. Once you're on the settings page, direct your attention to the left-hand side. Here, you'll find a series of menu options listed vertically. Click on Appearance. This is where you'll find all the options related to how your Chrome browser looks and behaves visually. Within the Appearance section, look for an option labeled Show Home button. Next to it, you'll see a toggle switch. By default, this switch may be turned off, which is why you haven't been seeing the Home button. To enable the Home button, simply click on the toggle switch to turn it on. Once you've done that, like magic, the Home button will now appear right next to your address bar at the top of the Chrome window. This Home button will give you the flexibility to navigate your browsing history and easily return to your home page. Now, let's talk about customizing what happens when you click that Home button. You have a few options here, and it's just a matter of personal preference. You'll see 2 options, New Tab Page and Enter Custom Web Address. If you select New Tab Page, each time you click the Home button, it will open a new tab with the standard Chrome new page layout, which might show your most visited sites and a search bar. Alternatively, if you prefer to land immediately on a specific web page when you hit the Home button, say your favorite news site or a search engine, you'll want to choose Enter Custom Web Address. When you select this option, a box will appear where you can type in the URL of your preferred homepage. Once you've entered the desired web address, every click of the Home button will take you directly to that page. And there you have it. You've successfully enabled and customized the Home button in Google Chrome, giving you one-click access to the web pages that matter most to you. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to let others know, and thank you for joining me today as we made Chrome work a little better for us. Happy browsing!